In the heart of the Pyrenees, cradled between Spain and France, lies the ancient Principality of Andorra, a land steeped in mystery and woven with an intricate tapestry of historical events. The narrow passages through its rugged mountains have seen centuries pass like whispers in the wind, each moment carving Andorra's legacy. Our tale begins in the epoch of Charlemagne, the Lion of the Franks. It is said that in the late 8th century, Charlemagne granted autonomy to Andorra in gratitude for their valiant efforts against the Saracens. This benevolent gift, sown from courage, would endure the test of time, bringing forth the storied independence of the Andorran domain. As the pages of history turn to the year 1278, a fateful stroke of diplomacy orchestrated the first of the Peerages Agreements, a cornerstone that would craft the dual lordship of Andorra. Count Roger Bernard III of Foy and the Bishop of Urgell forged this pact, knotting the twine of shared sovereignty that bound Andorra's fate to both France and Spain. Henceforth, Andorra would be under the aegis of the co-princes of France and the bishops of Urgell, a rare, noble covenant that remains unbroken through the centuries. Yet, not all was peace and harmony. Shadows often lurked beneath the brilliance of liberty. The 20th century arrived burdened with the tumult of wars across the European continent. The tiny nation, though spared the fury of combat, felt tremors ripple through its secluded valleys. A pivotal change was stirred in 1933 when Andorra embraced democracy, igniting a transformation that would alter its course forever. The winds of modernity began to howl louder as Princess Isabel of France and Bishop Ramon Iglesias of Urgell, the co-princes, guided Andorra into a new era. Then, in a profound act of sovereignty, Andorra composed its own constitution in 1993. This marked the dawn of a legislative and judicial framework, quelling the remnants of feudal shadows and illuminating the path to membership in the United Nations. Today, the tales of Andorra weave through its people and its bustling, yet quaint streets, history living not as lore, but a testament written in indelible ink. Each echo through its mountains heralds the saga of a land untouched by the ravages of time, eternally proud and eternally free.